is an MEI elevator at the Nordstrom rack here in Toronto, Ontario. And I didn't know this was I thought it was a KONE to me, but it's actually an MEI elevator. And why? Hydraulic. This is MEI too. Why this was MEI? The best. Going up. Come on in.
Watch Talia. Keep your hands in, Talia.
Hands in. People are bringing dogs upstairs. There's all kinds of people bringing dogs.
They probably need their coats off. It's probably getting hot.
There's all kinds of people that have dogs in like this. Non si toques porco. Capito? Talia, we're gonna go for the bambini. We're gonna see if there's something you like, okay? Tell me you're gonna buy
Okay,
something.
let's go.
Have a good day.
Nana will buy it.
You too, thank you.
Nana will.
Carview. Sorry about that. This is the elevator at the Nordstrom rack on One Bloor East here in downtown Toronto. Safety reasons, security camera. I'm surprised this one they went with MEI. I thought they go with KONE with the Eco Disc. Expecting to be a traction, but it's actually a hydro. Door's not closing when you push the button. I don't want anybody in person.